3, 2, 1 start. भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, सब देशों से न्यारा देश, हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई मिलकर रहते सिख ईसाई, जो भी एक बार यहाँ आए उसे यह जल्दी ही अपनाए। इसके लिए कोई गैर नहीं है, इसको किसी से बैर नहीं है, तभी तो कहते भारत महान, सारे जग में फैली शान। भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत। Thank you. Now let us move forward. Let's watch a short video on Odisha's culture about ancient temples and vibrant traditions and dances in a rhythm of art, history, dance and cuisine. Odisha. About the landforms of Odisha. Landforms of Odisha include coastlines, rivers, hills, mountains, and lush green forests. The capital city of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. It was also referred to as the soul of Odisha. The city of Karnak is famous The city of Konark is famous for a beautiful temple that is called Sun Temple.
Chandrabhaga is a famous beach in Konark which is visited by thousands of tourists every year.
The two places of tourist attraction are Chilika Lake, Duduma Waterfall, Mukteshwar Temple. Thank you. Odisha, a state rich in tradition and heritage, and it's known for its vibrant music and dance, drawing inspiration and from this cultural treasure with the students of class 3B are going to present a beautiful dance performance that captures the eastern part of a beautiful country, India. wonderful performance. As we conclude today's assembly, let's remember that in our unity lies our strength and in our diversity lies our beauty. Thank you all for being a part of this special assembly dedicated to Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat. I request
Head of Junior Wing. Head of Junior Wing.
our head of junior wing, Saika ma'am,
To say
to say a few words as listening to her is always very inspiring.